Good morning, children. Today we will learn about the repeat command of logo. Now, repeat command is used for repeating a set of commands, set of logo commands again and again. So, my logo is open. We will just see a repeat command. Now, I come to the command input box and click on the command input box. We are typing repeat REPEAT 360, then opening straight brackets, FD space 1, RT space 1, then closing bracket, and when I press enter, a circle will be drawn. Repeat 360, opening bracket, FD1, RT1. When I press enter after putting the closing bracket, the circle will be drawn. Now, as you know, when a circle moves, it moves by an angle of 360 degrees. Now, FD1, RT1 is that every 360 degree points, it is drawing a one size line. So, it is drawing a line of 360 times, and every time it is turning by one angle. So, FD1 and RT1 is being repeated 360 times. That is why repeat 360, opening bracket, FD1, RT1, then closing bracket, and when we press enter, the circle will be drawn. Now, this was the circle. Now, I want the semicircle. Now, 360 is complete circle. Now, half of 360 will be 180. So, that will be the semicircle. So, first of all, I will rub this graphic screen. I will say CS, enter. Now, I will give again repeat. I will say repeat. I can type in small letters also, repeat. Now, instead of 360, I am giving 180, opening bracket, FD1, RT1. Now, angle is halved because we have to draw a semicircle. Now, when I press enter, you can see a semicircle is drawn. So, repeat 360, FD1, RT1 draws a complete circle, and repeat 180, FD1, RT1 draws a semicircle. Now, we will come to square. All of you know that square has 4 sides. I will give CS. Square has 4 sides. So, for drawing a square of size 80 or of size 100, I will give repeat. Now, square has 4 sides, so space, then 4, then opening bracket, then FD 100. If I want to draw a square of 100 size, then RT 90. RT 90. Then I will put a closing bracket and press enter. Now, the square is drawn. In this case, everything is clear. Repeat command repeats. 4 is there because the square has 4 sides. FD 100 means of size 100. The only thing that is not clear is why I am using RT 90. Now, I have explained to you that when a circle moves, it covers an angle of 360 degrees. Now, in case of square, there are only 4 sides. So, if we divide 360 by 4, if I say print 360 by 4, what I am getting is 90. So, that is why with RT we are using the angle as 90. So, let me explain you again. Repeat, number of sides which are 4, opening bracket, FD size, RT 360 divided by 4 is going to give me a 90. This was for square. Now, we will rub it. We will rub with the CS command. Then I want to draw for triangle. Now, triangle, how many sides are there? There are 3 sides. So, first of all, we will see what will be the angle. So, print 360 divided by 3. When I divide 360 by 3, what I get is 120. Now, we will write the command. So, I am giving repeat. I am saying 3 because triangle has 3 sides. Then FD, suppose I say 70 or 80, then RT, we have already seen 360 divided by 3 is giving me 120. So we will give RT 120 and a closing bracket, closing straight bracket, it will draw a triangle. So square is repeat 4 FD 100 RT 90, triangle is repeat 3 opening bracket FD 80 RT 120. Now we will come to pentagon. As you know, pentagon has 5 sides. So first of all, we will check print 360 divided by 5. 360 divided by 5 is giving me 72. Now I will rub the screen. Yes. Now I am saying repeat. Pentagon is 5 sides, opening bracket. Then I am saying FD. Suppose I am saying 88, size is 88, RT 72. So 72, why 360 divided by 5 is giving me 72. Closing bracket and enter. You see there are 5 sides. Okay, so this was pentagon. Next is heptagon. Heptagon is having 7 sides. So first of all I will give CS, then I will give print 360 divided by 7. 360 divided by 7 gives me 51. Point, there is some value in point also, but we will take the whole number, that is 51. So I am giving repeat. Heptagon is having 7 sides, so 7 opening bracket, I am saying FD 94 and RT 51. Closing bracket, you will get 7-sided figure. You can check that it has 7 sides. So this was heptagon. How did I got the 51? 360 is the complete rotation and 360 divided by 7 is going to give me 51. Now next figure in your book is page number 91. It is octagon. Octagon is having 8 sides. So first of all I will give CS. Then I want to see if I have to draw a 8-sided figure, how much angle should I take? So print 360 divided by 8, it is giving me 45. So now to draw the octagon, we will give the command as repeat, then 8. Why? Because octagon has 8 sides. So repeat 8 opening bracket and then FD. Size I can take anything depending on my choice, 98. And RT we will take as 45. Why? Because 45 is 360 divided by 8 is 45 and then a closing bracket. Now when I press enter, we will be able to draw an octagon. So just repeat command, number of sides, opening bracket, FD, size, RT, 360 divided by number of sides. That is the repeat command. Now for triangle, the number of sides are 3. For square, the number of sides are 4. For pentagon, the number of sides are 5. For heptagon, the number of sides are 7. And for octagon, the number of sides are 8. All this is given in your book on page number 91. So that is for the class today. Thank you.